Drives Carrier Site Tutorial. Sign DVIRs. Select Vehicles from the left sidebar of the Drive Carrier site to go to the Vehicles page. Here, you will see a list of all the vehicles that drivers connected to your carrier account have connected to. In the list of vehicles, there is a column for Driver Vehicle Inspection Reports, or DVIRs. Here, you can see if that vehicle has DVIRs and if any of them require a signature. If the vehicle has a DVIR that requires a signature, it will have a red badge. Select that vehicle to see its DVIRs and sign them. The individual DVIRs will be listed on the right side of the Vehicles page. The column for each DVIR status will show if it requires a mechanic support signature. Select that DVIR to sign it. At the top of the DVIRs page, you will see General Information. Below that will be a list of defects of the truck and/or trailers, as well as the driver's remarks. All reporting drivers must sign the DVIR before submitting it. Their signature can be seen here. Every DVIR must have 2 more signatures before it is completed, one signature by the final driver and the other by a mechanic or support staff. The final driver signs the DVIR within the mobile app. The final driver can have a mechanic do the other signature within the mobile app, or the support staff can sign the DVIR on the carrier site. Select the Sign DVIR button at the bottom. First, select whether the defects reported in the DVIR have been corrected or do not need to be corrected for the next driver to drive the vehicle. If needed, you can add remarks here before signing the DVIR. You must certify your defect resolution and then select the Sign the DVIR button at the bottom to complete your signature. You will now see your resolution that this DVIR was signed by support staff. Under the forum status, you will see that the final driver still needs to sign the DVIR in the mobile app, or if they have signed the DVIR, it will be marked Done. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.